Hello everyone, welcome to today's solar powered adventure video. Now we're rocking some awesome carts for this ride. Here we've got an E-Z-Go workhorse. I love this cart, it rides so smooth. It's got a 380 watt solar panel on it, eco-worthy boost controller. This cart is running with lead acid batteries and we're just hoping we can make it to where we're going. This is the dynamic enforcer. And this one will definitely make it, no problems. It's running a Vatrer lithium iron phosphate battery. This thing, it cranks the juice. I mean, we don't even lack power. This one has a 550 watt panel, and it's also got an EcoBoost charge controller on it. So the plan today is in 1943, a bomber crashed out here on the desert. We're gonna drive out there and find it and check it out. So follow us on this awesome adventure. Power on, boys! Alright, so far so good. We made it up to the top of our first mountain climb here. This is actually the only mountain climb. Everything else is just downhill. This is 360 feet of climb here, and we've already got 3 V-glides on our club car climbing this mountain. Both of these just fly right up this. Kind of fly up, I guess, because the lithium definitely does. The lead acid just slow clear down to 7 miles an hour. That's a big difference. You get lithium in these, and you just fly right up the mountain. Awesome. So if you want to know more info on the golf carts, then go to our channel, The Solar Farmer, and that's where we've got all the how-to videos of building the carts for our adventures. So let's get this party going. Lock and load, boys!
Bunch of monkeys.
Alright, this is why there's so many cows up here. This is their water supply. This holds the water, and then it goes down to a trough to give them water. Love it. Look at all that water. Okay. Water goes from that water tank into here, and this is where the cows take a little sippy sip of water.
That's why it smells like terrible. It smells like cow. Real question is, will we be able to make it up this? I know on the camera it doesn't look like much, but it's actually really steep. gonna tip. Literally, 2 of the wheels were off the ground when you guys were doing that.
No, this one's not gonna make it. That lead acid batteries, no good. Get some lithium in here and I'm sure it'll climb right up there.
Skirt.
Seems like we're walking from here. Dad's taking this up.
And we're gonna walk.
Alright, let's get a walk.
Say hello to my hubby.
Hi.
There you go, lithium power, baby.
That was spinning.
Oh. Now see how that lithium just powers, you can accelerate, cruising the hill. Lead acid, we just power it out. Kind of like these boys are powering out.
I'm dying. I'm catching a ride.
Yeah, we made it. Here we are. Comes the boys down the mountain. Yeah, check this. You got your info in here. Pull that out. Well, this is a lot of information. I searched the internet and I had a hard time finding any information on this. I don't know much about planes, but this is heavy. Look at that. The bomber that went down. This is heavy still. I'm guessing this is probably landing gear. You got a bearing and really got hot. Look at all that melted aluminum. Yeah. Holy cow. That's all wiring stuff. Kind of looks like a tank. It's kind of a tank. Short tank. There's some more over here. That's where that looks like exhaust manifold there. I think that's all the wreckage. I don't see anything else out here. So, Lieutenant William G Kimball, he was born in 1919. He was about 23, 24 years old when his burning bomber crashed here. He was alone, the cost of freedom. Well, boys, this fallen soldier deserves a salute.